नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बातचीत करने वाली हूं एंड साथ साथ में तृप्ति बलूजा भी बातचीत करने वाली है। शी इज माई ब्रदर्स वाइफ। शी इज अ वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ हाउस वाइफ, बट शी इज अ टीचर। जी हाँ, हमारे घर में दो टीचर्स हैं। एक तो मेरी माता श्री, जिन्होंने 30 to 40 years काम किया इन सेंट कबीर स्कूल, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग टू तृप्ति। तृप्ति ने आई थिंक 10 years से वो बच्चों को पढ़ा रही है एंड शी इज बीन इंस्पायरिंग देम टू बी ग्रेट स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स। सो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हर कि वो क्या कहना चाहती है। इन बिटवीन मेरी मदर शायद आपको हाय करेगी। मदर हाय करो। शी हैज बीन अ टीचर इन सेंट कबीर। इसके ऊपर हम कभी चर्चा करेंगे मम्मी आपके साथ, मगर आज हम बात करेंगे तृप्ति के साथ।
हाय एवरीवन।
तो तृप्ति,
Yes.
आप यहाँ पे देख के बोलो कि आप टीचर कैसे बनी।
अर्लियर इट वाज लाइक दैट कि मैं अपनी नीड बेस्ड टीचर बनी हूँ, क्योंकि अर्लियर आई वाज वर्किंग एज एन एडमिन पर्सन, बट बिकॉज ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑल आई हैड टू चेंज माई स्ट्रीम, and then I changed my field so that I can be with my kids also. And since my childhood I used to love children, so I felt this is the best profession I can be in.
तो आप मतलब 10 साल से you are teaching 10 years?
Yes, it's 10 years and I'm associated with Treehouse High School.
Okay.
Our main school is at Mumbai.
Okay.
We are working in a very different way. Our way of working with children is really very different, I feel, from other schools, and I'm happy to be in this organization.
तो आप ट्री हाउस स्कूल से बहुत खुश हैं। दैट इज वॉट यूर टेलिंग अस। क्योंकि हम लोग भी बीच में सोच रहे थे कि हम किंडरगार्टन को चालू करेंगे, है ना मम्मा? आपने कुछ ऐसा प्लान किया था? या माय मदर बिहाइंड, या डोंट वरी, आई एम गोइंग टू कम टू यू लेटर। टुडे दिस इंटरव्यू इज डेडिकेटेड टू तृप्ति। सो तृप्ति, मुझे आप ये बताओ, ये जो कोरोना हुआ, कोरोना में ऑब्वियसली लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड। हाउ हैज इट बीन फॉर ट्री हाउस एंड हाउ हैज इट बीन फॉर द किंडरगार्टन चिल्ड्रन?
See, I'll tell you that initially it was very difficult, but our school and our principal, they had different vision. From the beginning itself, we didn't had even a single day off. We had started our online schooling immediately during the time of Corona only.
Oh, okay.
So we were very much well versed with Zoom coaching classes, how to conduct them, how to be well versed with it. We like my whole team went in for what I'll say, they had a training. We learned ourselves. That was really remarkable. That is what I'll tell you.
तो आपका मतलब you were trained how to handle the students in corona?
Yes, definitely yes. And initially it was very challenging, because let me tell you very frankly that during the initial stage we were not very much what I'll say, that we were not very much technically savvy.
Okay.
So it was difficult for us as a teacher to get into the system.
ओके, मगर अभी आप एकदम savvy हो चुके होंगे।
Yes.
आराम से जूम पे क्लासेस लेते होंगे।
Definitely yes.
बट आपको लगता है कि कोरोना की वजह से आप प्रोडक्टिव तो हो गए होंगे शायद घर पे, बिकॉज
Yes.
घर पे आप रह के काम कर रहे हो, बट डज इट अफेक्ट द सैलरी पार्ट? Does your salary get slashed? Because
No comments.
No comments. That is controversial.
Controversial. Yes.
Because I'll tell you why. देखिए, हम लोग कोरोना से जूझ रहे हैं, आप जूझ रहे हैं, हम जूझ रहे हैं, पूरी दुनिया जूझ रही है।
yes.
हमारे एक्सपेंसेस कम नहीं हुए, क्योंकि हमारे जो एक्सपेंसेस थे, हमारा जो खाना पीना लाइफस्टाइल था, वो तो चलता रहा, बट बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव स्टॉप्ड। सो जैसे मैं एक प्रोफेशन से हूँ जहां पर आउटडोर शूटिंग्स होती थी, लोकेशंस पे हम जाके इंटरेक्ट करते थे। अब हम लोग ज्यादातर रिकॉर्डिंग्स कर रहे हैं, इंटरव्यूज भी हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा ऑब्वियसली जो हम वैसे कमाते थे वो स्लैश हो जाता है। यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो आपके प्रोफेशन में भी हुए होंगे।
It has not only affected me, it has affected the whole schooling system.
Whole schooling
I'll
system.
not tell that I am the only one who is affected. Of course, the management is also affected.
Yes, management is also
Yes.
affected because उनका भी एक income होता होगा,
Yes,
and
yes.
that income must have stopped because students are not
Yes,
coming. वो
yes.
घर से पढ़ रहे हैं.
Right.
So everywhere there has been cuts,
Yes.
and we have to live with it. हम सब vaccines लेके हैं. आपने भी ले लिए होंगे vaccine?
Yes, I have finished my 2 doses.
2 doses,
Yes,
very nice,
I'm vaccinated.
very good. And you manage your house also?
Yes, I do.
Because I know you do cooking also very well,
thank you
because
so
my
much.
brother loves your cooking.
Thank
And so how do you manage your school and your cooking? And you have 2 beautiful children, boys, and you have to manage them also, because
Yes.
boys are boys. They are still in their growing stages. One is still chotu and one is in that teenage zone.
Yes, I'll tell you that I am more friendly with my children. One is like going to turn 18
Okay.
in this December. I wake up early in the morning. I cook food and I then go to school. I have my mother-in-law at home.
Okay.
She is a backbone to me.
Okay.
So when I'm working, I'm not really very worried about my children, because I know she's there. She's always there for my kids.
Obviously, दादी तो होंगी बच्चों के
Yes,
लिए,
yes.
and she is my mommy technically, because that's the relationship. But I'm so happy that she is managing your kids. You are able to manage your
Yes,
house.
yes.
You are able to work, and you are actually a strong, independent woman, married yet strong, independent. And I'm glad to meet somebody like you, because मुझे पता है जब आपकी और राहुल की शादी हुई थी, आप लोग obviously young थे, and it's nice to see you grow and make a beautiful marriage with 2 beautiful kids. And आपको क्या लगता है कि अभी कोरोना से लाइफ कब नॉर्मल होगी? What do you feel?
Now I feel that this pandemic will soon end. We have to be very much positive now, because बहुत time तक हम घर पे नहीं रह सकते. We have to move ahead in life. Like I'll say that for 1.5 years, since last 1.5 year, our lives were on still. But now I feel that now it's the right time to get back to our work. We don't have to worry, get vaccinated, as chikungunya and other infections होते हैं और बीमारियां हैं. This is one of the बीमारी, I'll tell you. But we have to now move ahead in life. So as we say, the show must go on. We all have to move ahead in life. We have to follow all the SOPs, and I'm sure that we are soon going to come out of it.
Very nice to hear that. Very nice to see that everybody in India wants to get back to
Yes.
normal life, because it's been very difficult 2 years. Everybody has been affected, but I think in that whole process we have learned how to value our family, how to be at home and still be happy. We are not looking to go out for happiness.
See, whenever we work somewhere, right, it is the place from where you are. When I'm in school, I get a lot of support from my school, my team, my principal. So we all are very positive. That is why we are able to teach children. If sometimes we do get call from parents, like now they want the school to be open, we also want the same. Right, and we are sure that it is going to happen soon. कितना टाइम हम घर पे बैठे रहेंगे, राइट? सो सून आई एम वेरी मच पॉजिटिव दैट वैक्सीन्स आर गोइंग टू कम फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. ऑल किड्स विल गेट वैक्सीनेटेड, एंड अगेन वो नई सुबह आएगी जब हम सब फिर से स्कूल जा पाएंगे, हम सब फिर से नॉर्मल वे से जी पाएंगे.
Very true. Nice to hear that, and I really, really wish you all the success.
Thank
as
you
a
so
teacher,
much.
as a housewife, as a homemaker, and as a great mother, because you are a person who is going to imbibe values to new India in terms of your children. Your 2 boys will be the future of India. So as a mother, you're doing that, and I'm really, really proud to see you so confident.
Thank you so much. whatever I am today, I feel it is just because of my parent, my husband, and my whole family, my mother-in-law. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.